Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to change flight date on Qatar Airways. All right, let's begin. First, open your browser and go to qatarairways.com, ensuring you're on the official site. On the homepage, locate the Manage Booking or Check-in option in the top menu. Select Manage Booking to access your reservation. Enter your booking reference and last name exactly as shown on your ticket. The booking reference is a 6-character code found in your confirmation email. After entering the details, click Retrieve Booking to view your itinerary. Once your booking appears, review your flight details. Then, select the option to change your flight or modify the date. Choose the specific flight segment you want to adjust, open the calendar, and pick a new travel date. Available flights and any fare differences or fees will be displayed based on your ticket rules. If everything looks correct, follow the prompts to confirm the change. You will receive an updated confirmation with your new travel date. So that's basically how you can change flight date on Qatar Airways. That's it for this video. Thanks.